Hello friends, in this SEO course, we will learn about a very important topic. Today we will be discussing about this topic in detail because everything is based on this when we talk about SEO. So now, friends, in this video, we will be discussing various types of SEO activities. I will explain you about types of SEO activities and how to perform SEO and what all needs to be done. We'll cover the rest in detail because these activities have many other activities within them improving SEO ranking. All the activities that are implemented in order to improve SEO ranking are included in this. So we will be teaching you about all of them in detail. But before that, you should know what exactly they are. So the three activities, as you can see, first we will talk about technical SEO. What is technical SEO? So the website that you have. Okay. This website is placed on a server and is uploaded. A website, web page, landing page, or anything as you may choose to call it is uploaded on a domain or subdomain. And the second, this thing right here is created by using the help of a designer or a developer. Okay, the designer or the developer builds it. So now let's say in the website, there's an issue with the website's performance that is related to the server, or it's related to its settings, okay, or if there's any shortcoming. So that would fall under technical SEO. If there is a shortcoming in the designer's UI structure and we need to fix it, then it will come under designer's domain, or if there is an issue with script of coding, then that is developer's responsibility. So all of these things are important for your website in order to make your website SEO friendly as well as user friendly. You might have heard about on-page and off-page activities before, but technical SEO is also very important and it's something that is not in your control. The designers and developers who created the website or the server where you have bought your hosting plan, it's up to them. So this is called technical SEO. After that, on-page SEO comes into play. What is on-page SEO? This is just like our website. Now, this website that has its own web pages where each and every web page has a unique URL, okay? It has its meta tags, titles, and you can see the description is there. Its breadcrumb is there as well, and the content is also present there. We also have image tags, internal linking, external linking, so there are many things present there that I'm not going to discuss right now. As I told you, that you are also going to get a very nice, full detailed tutorial on this. These activities and their implementation will be practically taught in this course. You can imagine just how detailed this practical course is going to be, that you will understand every detail of it and also learn to implement it practically. So you are not at all at the beginner level. Once you complete this course and practice it well, you will be able to reach the master level. You will learn about SEO planning, strategizing, and implementation, all of it. So this was on page. Now what exactly is off-page activity? Off-page activities include those activities that we don't work on our website anymore. We have already completed both of these activities, technical and on-page. So who will do the technical SEO? As told before, on-page activity is done by the SEO person who is good at it. Okay, he is the one who does the on-page planning, makes all the strategies, and then he implements it. Now it depends on the fact that whether your website is built on WordPress or HTML, Shopify, or some other CMS. If the website is built on a different CMS or is a customized website, then if there are any options within the CMS to change the URL or create any new URLs, besides this, there are also many other things. And here on all off-page activities, it includes all those activities that are done on a third-party platform, like for creating backlinks for link building. Okay. So before, direct submission used to happen but is no longer possible. Details will be provided later. Like there are activities like article submissions, blog posts, classified ads, web 2.0, and many more you'll learn about, which are off page. These third-party website activities are done for a reason. That is, if we are to engage in these activities, from there we'll obtain a quality backlink which will not only increase our website's authority but also improve our ranking. In this course, you'll learn how to perform off-page activities practically, covering every single activity in detail. I hope you have understood the three types of activities. Now, in order to learn it practically in future, you need to understand and practice this course well. Thank you.